In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Logitech G923 to the Crew 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Crew 2 natively supports any steering wheel, including the G923. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set it up. All that you have to do is first connect it to your PC. Usually, you will be doing this with a USB cable. Of course, if you are playing on another platform, you just do the exact same steps, but you set it up on that alternative console instead. For PC, it is one of the USB ports on your case, at the front, or at the back on your motherboard. And there should be various different USB ports available on any console as well, PlayStation or Xbox. With this done, I would also recommend that you download the Logitech G Hub software if you are on PC. If you are on console, it is going to be plug and play, but for PC, you might need the software to update the firmware of the wheel to the latest version available, and you will also have control over a lot of settings: operating range, sensitivity, center spring strength, and so on. So with the Logitech G Hub software, you will be able to control various different details about the G923. If you don't want to spend time setting it up, just make sure that the USB is connected and that it is running on the background. With this done, you can open up the game and it should natively detect the steering wheel. If you go into these settings, you will be able to find wheel controls, as you can see at the top. So just choose the option wheel controls and you will be able to change various different settings about the wheel, like the force feedback, gearbox, wheel range, and other presets. You will be able to individually control everything, see the strength when you turn the wheel, and everything is going to be available. You can set to default if you don't like the changes that you've made, and you can of course test it within any sort of race that you have. As long as you open the game with the steering wheel connected, it will have native support. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech G923 to the Crew 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.